Hey guys, today me and Beeple are making another video, a Roblox video, and today we're playing, as you see here, Airplane 3. The third airplane story, because we played the first one, the second one, and now the third. So, I am the Robloxia States Army General. And he is, General Poncho. You can call me General Poncho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. But why? Or else you will be expelled from the team. Okay then, we should follow his orders. Now, please take a seat. I think everyone's in their seats. Hehehe.
Why?
Why? Just why?
You need a. Sorry, this is America, not Spanish.
Let's get to the point.
Yay. Okay. Getting to the point.
Okay, what's the point? Who is this guy? This is our target. Is our target?
His name is Ronald.
Wait, Ronald? Wait, isn't he from Airplane 2? Is this the president when he was younger? He literally has the same face.
I know. What did he do?
Hello, Ronald McDonald. Welcome to another video.
That's where we are heading.
Where? Oh. Oh. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Oh no. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode. Wait, if he wants to crash the plane, shouldn't he turn off autopilot mode? Wait, he already captured. Our mission is to stop Ronald. Oh, okay. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice.
But how do we get to the plane?
Ah! Good question. Follow me. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Mister! Oh, what is this?
Okay.
What is this?
Follow me.
Is this a circle room?
No, stand on this little circle. Stand on the circle.
Okay, everyone, ready?
Wait, he should not talk like that. He should be like, everyone ready?
The
Everyone ready?
door's closing.
Come here, big boy.
Are we trapped? What is this?
Is someone flying?
What? Going down? Oh, is this an elevator? Oh, this is an elevator.
Ooh, I didn't know we were playing the elevator. I did not know that. Yes.
Oh yeah, we're playing the elevator game. Okay, is this a normal elevator, the scary elevator, the crazy elevator? What is this?
Okay.
This might be the wacky elevator. No, the Airplane 3 elevator. Why are there like clothes?
Okay, I want to choose.
Welcome to the military.
How about you do one?
I want green. Yay! I'm in camouflage. Hehehe. But first, let's get everyone set up. That's cool. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. Oh. Well, we have military outfits.
8, 7,
6, 5. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. 3, 2, 1, 0. Looking good.
Looking good. I believe we are ready.
Now let's check the system.
Yeah, let's go check the system.
Okay. What are we doing, mister? We're checking the plane.
I have no check plane.
Can I type 2? I want to type 2.
I want to get.
Not enough fuel. Oh, okay. We're doomed. Maybe we should just go back and not save the airplane because like it's only one plane. It's not like there's like thousands of planes at risk. It's just one plane. No, I'm just kidding. There's probably gonna be a lot of people in the plane. Okay. Oh, just that?
Yes.
Oh, those things. That's why there's like colorful yellow things. Wait.
Oh, I see a teddy bear. I see a teddy bear.
Yeah, why is there a brown teddy bear? I'm going for the teddy bear. That might be part. That might be part of it. That might be a part of it. Like we don't need fuel. We just need a teddy bear. Mission Impossible. Teddy bear. Okay, I'm gonna go for that blue one. Let's try to get the blue one.
Well, I'm just yeah, That's
Yeah.
what I mean. Yeah.
You're just gonna yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna.
I almost died. Oh no. Oh no.
No.
I'm gonna do the blue. Connect the
Yeah,
blue.
I got the right one.
What about the yellow?
Very buddy boy. Okay. Woo, the red one. I got the red one.
You know what? I don't want to do the yellow. It seems hard. Okay, come on, sir. You can do it.
Okay, I did that one. Yeehaw.
Well, he got hurt.
Is this one then? Oh, yeah, they did it.
Yeah, I just did the blue. I want to hold the teddy. I like teddy.
Yes.
Why is the teddy bear humongous? Oh my gosh. No, fuel. We still don't have fuel. Filling the tank now.
Fill the tank down.
Oh, it's going up. Red. Is it just going to stay red? Oh, I thought it was going to turn like yellow, then green. Filling tank. Ah, tank full. Now we are ready. Oh yeah, it's green now. Okay, let's get in the plane. Oh, I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. Oh, hi, Pilot Clark. What about the guy next to you? He will be our pilot through this mission. Okay, system is ready, General. Says a Pilot Clark. Please start the engine, Pilot.
Yeah, please start the engine.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot to say, but I'm probably, I think I wasn't gonna say this at the end of the video, but for B-Place 2.0, there might not be a video for like a long time, so yeah, just say. And the Minecraft video I made yesterday with Bobby, I actually figured out how to turn on my audio. So yay! Why is he still typing? What is he typing? I'm really confused. Is he typing in the air?
What?
Mister, are you okay?
You okay? Are you okay?
I need this. I don't think General Poncho's okay.
General Poncho.
Pilot Clark. I don't know if General Poncho's okay.
General Poncho.
2, 1, closing door.
Door. Okay. Prepare for takeoff.
I'm just gonna go in first person mode. Good luck, soldiers. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need that luck. Ah!
Okay, we are now flying in the kidnapped plane direction. Okay, we're flying in the plane direction.
Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. There is something
bananas. They have
about
bananas?
this Ronald guy.
Yeah, they have bananas.
What, is he like the monster we killed last time?
Yeah.
Why would he do something like this? Well, it's probably because he's the president. Like, he knows he's gonna be the president, so he's like, okay, whatever.
Yeah. I thought you could be hungry.
What a banana. Here, everyone, have a banana.
A banana.
A
Give me the
banana. You might need the energy for later. I don't really want to eat the banana because I don't really like bananas. Wait! Don't eat the banana! It's poisoned! Wait, what? Wait, is it actually? What? Wait, are you gonna die?
I don't know.
Haha, what? Haha.
Come on.
I'm just kidding. Are you serious?
Man, the first game that actually be true.
That's not funny, General.
This is
I'm sorry. I just had to do it.
you had to do it. Yeah,
Anyways,
you had to do it.
we'll be flying. Oh, I couldn't read it. You might as well chill or take. I will wake you up. It's like laggy. The words are laggy, so I can't really read them well. Okay. 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 It's like raining, I think. Is it raining? Oh, it's nighttime.
Everyone, it's raining.
You know what? Because it's nighttime, I'm gonna hold my teddy. Time to wake up, everyone. Wait, we're sleeping?
No, stay there. It's nighttime and it looks like we're inside a storm.
Oh no! We need to be ready in case. General, we were struck by lightning and our right motor.
In critical danger.
Something's wrong with every plane. Airplane 1, there were literally like snakes. They're like snakes. Airplane 2,
The
The-
water.
Airplane 2, there was lava and fire. And now there's literally, okay. Wait, out there, I wasn't reading. What happens? Oh wait, why are we outside?
It's scary.
This is so sky.
I remember you just staying down there last time.
Where are you going?
Me?
Wait, what is he doing?
Cover me and try not
You know what? I need the lucky teddy power. The lucky teddy. Hold your teddy.
Teddy power.
I really don't know what's happening. Oh wait, where are this going? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Thunder! 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 Thunder!
Hi, Thunder. What you doing? Oh, soldier. The guy's a soldier. Okay.
Thunder! It's thunder!
It's Thunder. Dragging on him.
Oh!
Ooh, it's fireworks.
Wait, I'm actually really confused. How is the plane not catching on fire when there's so much lightning striking the plane?
Yeah, I know, right?
And only that motor's hurt. I mean, fired. Shouldn't that motor also be on fire? Because it literally just struck that motor too. I'm scared. I'm scarred. Ah! Ah!
5, 4,
10, 9, 8,
2,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The motor is fixed now. What are you doing? What is he doing? The lucky teddy power didn't fail, but what is General doing? Are you opening the thing? Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, hello there. Wait, is that like the skeleton of that monster in Airplane 1, 2, 1 and 2? You will not stop this fate. Oh, burn. Is he dancing? Oh, fire. Hello.
Quickly, inside the plane.
Oh, I just dropped inside. What is he doing?
Are you tying a rope? Or are you What are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Jump on you, you'll be happy. Jump,
Pilot!
jump.
Are we gonna need to go into the pilot's room again this time?
I'm sorry, General.
I go in first person mode again. The giant skeleton! What do we do now? Never mind. Let's keep moving.
Okay.
We are. I didn't know what he said. Are we there yet?
Are you there yet?
Are we there yet?
Yes, stop.
Are we there yet? I'm bored. How is it still nighttime? Perfect. Everyone, pay close attention. We will sneak through the back door. Back door? We need to get everyone out safely. It's like really laggy. Once we are in, okay. Good luck, soldiers. Yeah, I couldn't really read your what you're saying. Okay. There's like alarm going off.
We're inside here.
We're inside! Yay! Wait, is that cheese?
Cheese.
Why are there like hats and goggles? Is that cheese? Is that moldy cheese? I think that might be moldy cheese.
My whole life. Oh, that's sad.
Why is there like saw over there? Oh no! Better hurry!
Take the sword. See if you can find anything to open the door. You know, it will be.
That's the moldy cheese. It's the moldy cheese.
Take this, dude. Oh.
About it. Is he still building? He's still building, General?
Yay!
General Poncho, what are you doing? Why are you still building? Oh! Hello! Hi, Ronald! It's over, Ronald! How did you get here? I mean, it was actually really easy. We just teleported, kind of. Oh, I'm flying!
Whoa.
I'm flying!
You're super lady.
Super lady to the rescue! But I'm not going anywhere! Oh, okay, I stopped flying.
What am I doing with you?
Oh, he's happy! Yay! We want everyone to be happy.
Happy.
Make everyone happy! Happy!
Happy.
Okay, happy.
Take these.
Be happy.
Be happy. General, I inform all the noobs are now safe in aircraft.
Excuse me. Wait, did they actually say noobs?
Yeah, they actually said noobs.
Oh, wow. That's just mean. Wait, should I eat the banana? No, I'm gonna hold Teddy because I'm scared. Lucky Teddy power.
Doink, 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 doink.
This is it. We just have one chance. Okay. Be friends with Teddy.
I will do it. I will do it. Okay, I will do it.
I saw inside. I glitched inside. I see the captain. I just saw the captain.
Ronald, open the door. We can work.
I see the captain. I saw Ronald. Oh, okay, now I see them.
How did you get here.
Lucky Teddy power!
Ronald, let the captain go.
We gotta make him happy! Super lady!
You don't understand anything. You are running my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say.
Come on, I gotta get in.
What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this.
Oh, I wanted to say you were going to jail.
Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me.
Yeah, okay. Enough with the backstories.
When I had problems, there was no one there. All I ever wanted is a friend.
You don't have friends because you're crazy. Oh my gosh. What if you actually say that?
I think there's two endings.
B-Boy wants to just be nice. I wanted the bad ending. I think there's a bad ending and a good ending because there's usually both. A good ending and a bad ending. Oh, come on, I want to go in. You know what? I'm leaving. It's you are right. Can't save you. Oh my gosh. Wait, you actually said we can't save him. Wait, B-Boy. Oh my gosh. You said we can't save him.
No, I have to get...
General!
Burning!
Is the captain gonna be alright?
There is no time. There's a plane about to explode. The plane is about to explode.
What do we do? Take this parachute.
Okay, G.
What parachute?
No, let's go out the door and jump out.
Oh, okay. B-Boy knows where we're going. But General, what about you? What about Ronald and the captain?
To leave, or we will not make it out alive.
Okay, you sure? Can we open this? Wait, why are we back here?
Oh yeah, with the plane and stuff.
I'm scared. I'm gonna hold Lucky Teddy.
Lucky Teddy.
Lucky Teddy.
Door is open. We need to get there and jump. Watch out for the flames.
Oh my gosh, I'm almost dead.
Okay, I got to it.
Oh my gosh.
Whee!
Whee! As you see on the top right, I'm literally almost dead.
Whee!
Whee! I don't even see the plane anymore.
We're actually flying. Okay, I'm flying, and I see a big square. I guess you have to land on that big square with a bunch of people going, yay!
I don't see it.
Oh, yeah.
I see the plane now.
Yay! I see a bunch of noobs that we saved. Yay!
Ooh, yay!
You're dancing with us.
Okay.
I'm down here.
Oh yeah, okay, the square.
I want to dance with you guys.
Yay!
Hey, oh, your health is really low.
Okay, I want to dance with them. Oh no, I didn't get to. Wait, let me just try. Yay! I'm dancing with them. Here you go.
He died. Oh no. We lost his captain.
Sniffs, sniffs. Hey, little girl. Yeah, I got a secret ending. I gave her a teddy bear. I brought this teddy. Thank you. It's just
teddy bear.
like the one my dad gave me. I will always remember him like the great captain. When I grow up, I will be a captain, and I promise I will protect the world from bad guys. My name is Keely. Oh, wait, Keely. Wait, this is a flashback. Wait, this is. Wait, I'm. Oh my gosh, B-boy. Do you know what this means?
What?
I think Ronald is actually going to be the president later, and then her name's Keely. And then from Airplane 2, Keely was the pilot's name, and she was an agent, and she was protecting everyone from bad guys.
Oh,
That's the secret ending. Oh my gosh. Wait, so this was all before the monster. Oh my gosh, we just figured it out.
Wow, I did not know that. I thought it was a completely different story, it's a completely different everything. But like this, it does the origin.
Yeah, it's connected. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess this is the end for today's video, and we literally just learned something so cool about Airplane 2, and like they're all connected, and well, this is gonna be the end for today's video. And if you liked this video, you can like and subscribe, and me and B-Boy will see you guys next time. Bye, YouTube.
Goodbye.